Well, we all love Chinese food, but sometimes it's not so good for you because they use lots of starch and huge amounts of fat, but we're going to change that all up with Gotham Steel. I'm going to use my big square pan, and I'm going to do the vegetables there, and I'm going to use my classic just to cook a little bit of chicken over. So once that's got nice and high heat, I'm going to take some of these beautiful red peppers and keep them nice and crunchy, and then we're just going to slice those up into strips, and I'm going to add that to a pan, and I'm using the big pan. And I'm going to add a little bit of oil, just a dot. And then we're going to take some onion. And I want just slices of onion. And a red onion gives lovely flavor. It's going to be caramelized, and it's going to be crunchy, and it's going to give all the texture we want. Now you can load this up with vegetables, and you can have it completely carb-free. Or you can throw in some rice, or you can throw in a little bit of ramen, which I'm going to do. Just cook that ramen down. Going to throw that in at the end. Now I'm going to take the chicken. I'm not even seasoning it up because it doesn't need that, because all the flavor comes in a little bit later. Thighs are incredible because they've got a little bit more fat and a little bit more guts to it. And that's exactly what I'm looking for in this dish. We do want a little bit of color. We're going to get that because there's a tiny bit of skin on there. But what's amazing is how you don't need any oil on that whatsoever. So I'm going to give that a turn. We're going to get colour in there. You ready for that? Colour. That's what food's all about. Getting beautiful colour in there. Now, we're making a sauce while that's cooking. I'm going to turn that down. Don't need it on so high. We've got to cook it through. This sauce, I've got soy in here, ginger, garlic. That's it. Now, this is up to you. Sriracha. I want to kick it up and give a real good spice to it. Plenty goes in there. Sriracha is just chili and garlic. And normally you'd have like a glutinous kind of cornstarch in there. I'm not doing that. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful colour? You loving that? And push it down. Cook it through. I love pan searing rather than putting it in the oven, even though you can put this in the oven up to 500 degrees. Vegetables are all coming along beautiful. I want them crunchy. That's why I learned to cook a lot in Hong Kong. Massive big woks, big fire. You don't cook vegetables and cook them. You put them in a high heat and you crunch them up by searing them, but not kind of destroying them. And that's what we want to do here. Keep them beautifully colourful. That is about to come off. So that's done. I want to take some jalapeno pepper. And I'm going to just do a few slices. It's going to be a lovely little freshness to it. If you go to the seeds, that's where the heat is. So if you want it real spicy, keep going. If you want it a little milder, just use it like this where you don't have all the seeds. Okay, chicken. That's going to cook over a little bit more. Veggies, almost ready. Now, in goes ramen noodles. Mix those up with the vegetables. Drain them, but you don't have to be draining them dry, because I'm okay with a little bit of liquid in there. Turn that heat off. Not the chicken. And then add a little bit of that soy and glaze. Beautiful, beautiful. And again, lots of space on this pan. You need that. And not only lots of space on the pan. Have you ever cooked with soy? And have you ever seen how sticky the pan gets? That's Gotham. Incredible. That's Gotham Steel. Let's get this one going a little bit more. Chicken's almost done. That's piping hot, so it can stay like that for a little bit. And I'll come back to the chicken in about 2 minutes. Heat comes off, look at the colour of that, beautiful, beautiful. I want to get even more colour on it, and we're going to put more of that beautiful sauce on here. And that's going to really heat up. That's how we get that flavour in there. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Let that just coat. I want to get it sticky. I want to get it all over that chicken. Then we're going to lay this up. Any excess drips right off. Look at that, just drips right off. That was a thick, heavy sauce. Look at that pan. Look at that. Brand new. Now, we're going to dress this up a little bit. We've got some fresh cilantro. We've got some colour. Oh, I love cilantro. Just love it. Then we're going to take a couple of those jalapeno peppers. And you've got Chinese night. That was simple, easy, fabulous. Kids, family, you're going to love it. All done.